how to download Candy Crush on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Candy Crush for your PC or laptop. So first thing, just head over to your Microsoft Store so you can basically get that game easily for free, absolutely free on your Microsoft Store. So once you inside your Microsoft Store, just search in for Candy Crush game just like this. So once you search in for that, you will be seeing a lot of Candy Crush game. So there are different versions like Soda Saga, Jelly Saga. So you can simply choose any one of them. So I'll simply select Candy Crush Saga. So once you land on this page, you just have to click on this install button over here, and it will check your system requirement, and depending upon your internet connection, it should be automatically downloaded and installed on your device. So once you find or successfully download the game, you can simply search it the game from over here from your search bar and simply search in for that and simply start playing that game from your menu browser. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.